Standard First, Subject English 1.7. My name. Good morning, students. Students, today we will learn new activity. When we'll go anywhere, people ask us, "What's your name?" तेव्हा तुम्हाला तुमचं नाव सांगता आलं पाहिजे, बरं का? Are you ready for new activity? The name of the activity is Listen to me carefully and answer. Good morning. Good morning. What's your name? तुझे नाव काय? I am Riya. What's your name? My name is Raj. Tell me your name, please. तुझे नाव सांग. I am Ali. Tell me your name, please. Sonal. I like your name, but you understood? There are 3 ways you can tell your name. For example, my name is Riya. I am Riya. Riya. Now we will do next activity. Activity name is Look at the board, find and touch your name. You understood my instruction? Come near the green board, find and touch your name one by one. Mohan, come here. Find and touch your name. मोहन, इकडे ये. तुझं नाव शोधून त्याला स्पर्श कर. Nice. Priya, find and touch your name, please. Good. Kapil, find and touch your name. Well done. We have done this activity very nicely. Now we will do another activity. Activity name is Let's Talk. What's your father's name? My father's name is Rajan. Tell me the name of your school. Jilha Parishad Primary School. Well done. Thank you.